Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will telling about Heartland Graham Wardle's shocking exit. Before continue, I request you to subscribe our channel and press on the bell icon button for new videos notifications on time. Heartland is a Canadian family drama series that follows the lives of the Fleming-Bartlett family on their ranch in Alberta. The show has been running since 2007 and has become one of the longest-running scripted series in Canadian television history. However, the show's loyal fans were shocked and heartbroken when one of the main characters, Borden, died in the season 14 premiere. Borden, played by Graham Wardle, was the husband of Amy Fleming, Amber Marshall, and the father of Lindy Borden. He was also a veterinarian and a mentor to Georgie, Alicia Newton, and Jade, Madison Cheeto. Ty was a beloved character who had a remarkable journey from being a troubled juvenile delinquent to becoming a caring family man and a respected professional. So, why did Graham Wardle decide to leave Heartland after 14 seasons? According to the actor, he felt that it was time to move on from acting and pursue other passions and projects in his life. He also wanted to spend more time with his wife, Alison Wardle, whom he married in 2015. In an interview with the Canadian press, he said, "I've been on the show for so long, and it's been such a huge part of my life, and I'm so grateful for it. But I just felt like I needed to take a break and focus on other things that I want to do. And I'm really passionate about storytelling and creating stories, and I have some projects that I've been working on for a while now. And I just felt like it was time to give them more attention and energy." Wardle also revealed that he had been thinking about leaving Heartland for a few years, but he wanted to wait for the right moment and the right story. He said that he was involved in the decision to kill off his character, and he thought that it was a fitting way to end Ty's arc. He said, "I think it was a very powerful way to say goodbye to the character. And I think it was a very impactful way for the audience to experience that loss as well. And I think it also opens up a lot of possibilities for the future of the show and for the other characters." Wardle also expressed his gratitude to his co-stars, especially Amber Marshall, who played his on-screen wife for 14 years. He said that they had a very special bond and that he learned a lot from her as an actor and as a person. He said, "She's amazing. She's such a talented actress and such a wonderful human being. And we've been through so much together over the years. And we've grown together as well. And I think we have a very unique relationship that not many people get to experience in this industry. And I'm very thankful for that." Wardle also thanked his fans for their support and love over the years. He said that he was overwhelmed by the messages and comments he received after his exit from Heartland. He said, "I'm so grateful for all the fans who have watched the show and who have followed my character and who have connected with him in some way. And I'm so humbled by all the kind words and all the appreciation that they've shown me. And I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart." Wardle also hinted that he might return to Heartland in some capacity in the future, but he did not give any details or confirmations. He said, "I don't know what the future holds, but I'm always open to possibilities, and I love Heartland. It's always going to be a part of me. And who knows, maybe one day I'll be back in some way or another." Heartland fans will surely miss Graham Wardle as Borden. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and give feedback.